Last time, someone collapsed right in front of us.
We called an ambulance.
Then we reported smoke coming from a building.
And during all the confusion,
Melody's backpack disappeared.
along with my passport and wallet,
Today, we're going to the police station, learning how to understand emergency announcements and dealing with one final surprise before we get home.
please tell me nothing else goes wrong.
I wish I could.
That's not reassuring at all.
If you're watching this for the first time, welcome. This series is perfect for A2 to B1 learners who want to practice real English for real situations. And if you've been with us since part 1, you already know a lot. Let's keep going.
Let's do this.
Ready?
Not really.
Just tell the truth. Short sentences, clear facts.
I can do that.
Let's listen.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to report a theft.
I'm sorry to hear that. What was stolen?
My backpack.
What was inside?
My passport, my wallet, my credit cards, and a few personal items.
When did this happen?
About 30 minutes ago.
Where did it happen?
Outside a building near George Street.
Did you see who took it?
Not clearly. I only saw a man in a black jacket running towards the station.
That's okay. We'll file a report.
Thank you.
We'll also give you a report number. You'll need it when you replace your passport.
I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else missing?
No, I think that's everything.
We'll contact you if we receive any information.
Thank you very much.
You handled that really well.
I was nervous, but the officer asked very simple questions.
That's because police officers need facts, not long stories. Short and clear is always better.
So, it's fine if my English isn't perfect?
Absolutely. Being understood matters far more than being perfect.
I liked the phrase, I need to report a theft. It sounds very official.
It is. Report means to officially tell someone in authority, like the police, about something that happened. You can also say, I'd like to report a theft. Slightly more polite, but both are correct.
And theft means someone took something without permission.
Right. It's more formal than saying someone stole my bag, and police officers prefer formal language.
What about report number? The officer mentioned that.
Good catch. A report number is the official reference number the police give you after filing a report. It's very important. You'll need it to replace your passport, claim insurance, or cancel your credit cards.
So always ask for the report number before you leave.
Always. You can say, could I have the report number, please?
That's really useful.
I need to report a theft.
I need to report a theft.
My passport was stolen.
My passport was stolen.
It happened about 30 minutes ago.
It happened about 30 minutes ago.
I only saw a man in a black jacket.
I only saw a man in a black jacket.
Could I have the report number, please?
Could I have the report number, please?
Well done. 5 phrases that can make a very stressful situation much easier to handle.
One problem down.
Well, we still need to get home, and without your passport, that's going to take a little longer than planned.
But at least we have the report number.
Exactly. Let's head to the train station.
I cannot wait to sit down.
Me too. We've had quite a day.
Understatement of the year.
Let's find our platform.
Attention, please. This is an emergency announcement. All passengers must leave the station immediately. This is not a drill. Please follow staff instructions and proceed to the nearest exit. Do not use the lifts. Take the stairs.
Wait, what did they say?
You caught the most important part. Leave immediately.
They speak so fast, though.
That's normal. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen for the key commands.
Leave immediately.
Right, and nearest exit.
So everyone needs to leave the station now.
Correct. Let's follow the crowd outside.
Okay, we're outside. That was stressful.
Let's talk about some of the phrases from that announcement.
What does proceed mean? I wasn't sure.
Good question. Proceed is a formal way of saying go or move. You'll hear it in airports, stations, and official announcements. Proceed to the nearest exit means go to the closest way out.
So it's more formal than just saying go to the exit.
Right. In everyday conversation, you'd say go. In official announcements, you'll often hear proceed.
And this is not a drill. What does drill mean here?
A drill is a practice run, not a real emergency. So this is not a drill means this is real. Take it seriously and act immediately.
That phrase is actually quite alarming when you hear it.
Which is exactly the point. And what about exit and entrance?
Oh, an entrance is where you go in, and an exit is where you go out.
Spot on. Look for the green exit signs. They usually show a small running figure pointing towards a door.
Good to know.
Leave the station immediately.
Leave the station immediately.
Follow staff instructions.
Follow staff instructions.
Proceed to the nearest exit.
Proceed to the nearest exit.
This is not a drill.
This is not a drill.
Great work. So when you hear an emergency announcement, don't worry about understanding every word. Listen for leave, exit, immediately, and stairs. Those 4 words are enough to keep you safe.
That's actually a really helpful way to think about it.
Right. Now, can we please find another way home?
Yes, let's get a rental car. Nothing can go wrong in a car.
Melody?
I know, I shouldn't have said that.
Good news! We found a rental car.
Finally, our adventure is nearly over.
I wouldn't celebrate just yet.
Why not?
Do you hear that noise?
That clicking sound? That's not supposed to happen, is it?
No.
Avery, the car just stopped.
I know. We've broken down.
You have got to be kidding me.
Pull over to the side. Hazard lights on.
Done. Now what?
Now we call for help. Let's listen.
Roadside assistance, how can I help you?
Hi, our car has broken down. We need help.
Of course. What's your location?
We're on the Moan motorway near exit 23, heading north.
Is everyone safe?
Yes, we've pulled over to the side of the road.
Good. Please stay inside the vehicle with the doors locked. Help is on the way.
Thank you. How long will it take?
Approximately 40 minutes.
Okay, we'll wait.
Much calmer that time.
Because I've practiced. I knew what to say.
Let's look at some of the key vocabulary from that conversation. Motorway. What do you think that means?
A big, fast road?
Right. A motorway is a large highway designed for fast, long-distance travel. You might also hear freeway or highway depending on the country.
And the operator asked for our location straight away.
Always give the road name, the exit number, or landmark, and your direction. Oni Motorway near exit 23 heading north. That gives them everything they need to find you.
What about vehicle? Is that just a formal word for car?
Exactly right. Vehicle covers any mode of transport. Car, truck, motorbike. In official or emergency situations, you'll often hear vehicle instead of car.
And stay inside the vehicle? Why is that important?
Because standing on the side of a motorway is extremely dangerous. Staying inside keeps you safe while you wait for help.
That makes sense.
One more phrase. Help is on the way. You heard this in part 1 too, didn't you?
Yes, an ambulance is on the way.
Good memory. On the way means it's coming now. Help is already moving towards you.
That phrase is so reassuring.
It really is. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Our car has broken down.
Our car has broken down.
We're on the Moan motorway near exit 23.
We're on the Moan motorway near exit 23.
We've pulled over to the side of the road.
We've pulled over to the side of the road.
Help is on the way.
Help is on the way.
Well done.
You know, this has been the longest day of my life.
It really have.
We called an ambulance when a man collapsed.
We spoke to a paramedic.
We reported smoke from a building.
We asked a stranger for help.
We filed a police report.
We followed an emergency announcement.
And we dealt with a broken down car.
7 real situations. 7 sets of real English phrases.
And I handled all of them.
You did, because you practiced.
Perfect English isn't the goal.
Being understood is.
I finally really believe that now.
Before you go, review today's phrases out loud at least once before tomorrow. Saying them aloud is what makes them stick.
And if you haven't watched part 1 yet, the link is right here. Start there. It's where our adventure began.
If this series has been helpful, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We have plenty more real English conversations on the way.
Thanks for joining us. Stay safe out there.
And whatever happens, stay calm, speak clearly, and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.